Hi guys, it's your girl here, Lindsey Beth. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, it's not Lindsey, it's her sister. I'm just here crashing her channel. Okay, so I saw her with some Echo Styler gel, some Gots to Be glue, and her Supreme Jumbo braids. Seems to be 1B. She's parting her hair in two, is it? No, into sections. And she's using her hair tie to section her hair. She's leaving out the back section and she's going to comb it through. Yes, make sure there's no knots. And she's applying the Gots to Be glue and Echo Styler gel. More than likely the Echo first, or whichever you prefer. This is how she does her hair. And she's using her hard bristle brush to sleek it. Yes, sleek. Okay, she's tying it down with her hair tie into sections. Okay, she's loosening on the top two sides at once. Okay. Oh, she's doing it into smaller sections as well. Yes. Okay. She's sectioning it some more. Okay, she's gonna comb through, and the Echo Styler gel, Gots to Be glue. She's just repeating the same process, and then for each section that she sleeks down, she places it at the back where she wants her bun. She's sleeking it down with her hands first, and then her brush. She's brushing it into place. Okay, this is looking good so far. All right, she's straightening her parts. Her hair is fine, so it's kind of hard to part. That's why it's a bit difficult for her. I used to comb her hair, so I know. My hair is kind of the same, hard to part. But anyway, it's not about me, it's about her right now. And her sleeking her sleek bun down. I always wonder how she got her hair this sleek. But she said it's all about the brush as well. The hard bristle brush, the boar one. And she used the Echo and the Gots to Be glue. She's repeating this section again with the same process. The thing is, and the trick is to do it in sections. The sleeker you want it, the more sections you should do. And she's sleeking it down. Yes, brush. Okay, this is so satisfying to watch. Oh my god. Brush. Brush, brush, brush. Okay, you can see there's like a little bit of fly here, but it's because it's kind of hot here in the humidity. So she's just applying more Gots to Be glue. Yes, to sleek it down some more. Oh, she forgot the top. Oh well. Let's see. Just brush, brush, brush. I'm sure she'll fix it. Yes, sleek away. Oh, she has a Gots to Be glue spray too. Yes. Set in place. Oh my god, look at that. It looks like she just got her hair permed. Ooh, so straight. And she's taking out some little twiny parts at the side. Wait, how's her face wrap up so like she have sore tooth? No, like, well guys, she's a molding wrap and she really wrapped her head. Like, not just her hair, but her entire head. What the hell? Okay, I'm sure there's something. I'm sure it works for her, but do use this. You know what? I probably should do the same if I want my bun to be as sleek as yours. So she's using the jumbo braids, the Supreme Jumbo braids in her hair. It was pre-twist, and she applied it with a hair tie, as you can see. And she is securing it, and then she's wrapping it around and around tightly and trying to form it into shape with her other hand. Yes. Okay, apparently she's retwisting or loosening out to retwist the ends. Yes. And she is applying An elastic band. I don't think this one was soaked in oil because it's on synthetic hair, not her natural hair. But, you know, yeah. Ooh, love. Oh my God, look at her eyes, her makeup. Let's see what's under the wrap. She's unwrapping, guys. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Nice. New look who you. Oh my God, yes. Yes. Oh my God, she looks beautiful. And look at, oh my God, yes. Well, oh my God, Lindsay.
What are you doing?
No.
What are you doing with my phone? You took my phone. I was here looking for it. Guys, I'm so sorry. My sister took my phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth. And if you want to follow my crazy sister, follow her at Cream Sugar Honey on Instagram as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Natalie, what you gonna tell the people them?
I'm sorry, I just wanted to. You know what? Just.
You know, so I don't know, I go find out. Guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Till next time. You know, I'm gonna change my password. Alright, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.